Today we have to evaluate plastic transfusion bottle that are used for large volume parenteral using the extracts. Last time I have told you that for parenteral preparation packaging glass and plastic that are used. So today in previous practical we have seen evaluation of glass, that is by powder glass test and water attack test, hydrolytic resistant glass test. Today we have to evaluate plastic bottles, that is plastic container. They are made up of plastic. Along with plastic, additives are added into that are antioxidant, heat stabilizer, lubricants, fillers, colorants. During the storage, the additives could extract or leach into drug solution when they are come in contact with plastic containers. So, therefore, it is necessary to evaluate the plastic for its physical and chemical incompatibility for the ensuring safety and stability of drug product. So, procedure for this plastic container evaluation. First, you have to take the plastic bottle that is used for packaging of large volume parenteral. The plastic that is cut with the scissor. First you have to sterilize the scissor with acetone or methylene blue. Then the plastic material that is subdivided equivalent to 120 centimeter square total surface area, that are both combined. The strips of 5 centimeter long and 0.3 centimeter in width that are cut. The plastic bottle that is cut into strips till the 1200 centimeter square that will be obtained. Then that strip that are taken in glass stoppered flask. In that stoppered flask, 200 ml of water along with strips that is taken. All the strips you have to take inside the flask, glass stoppered flask. In that you have to add 200 ml of water, sterile distilled water. After addition of this plastic and water, you have to close the lid of your container and keep the container at water bath up to 70 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. Or you have to keep alternative for that, heat inside the autoclave at 121 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes at 15 pound pressure. After keeping the plastic along with water, the stoppered glass flask that is kept inside the autoclave at 121 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes at 15 pound pressure. After autoclaving, you have to decant that extract and filter it through Whatman filter paper. The extract obtained that is used for various tests, that is test for non-volatile matter, residue on ignition, heavy metal test and oxidizable substances test. First we will see about non-volatile matter. Test for non-volatile matter. For test for non-volatile matter, you have to take 50 ml of extract. For test of non-volatile matter, you have to first weigh the empty crucible. Weigh the empty crucible, note the weight. Then after that, weight of crucible plus extract. You have to add 50 ml of extract inside the silica crucible and weigh it. After weighing that, note the reading and take the crucible and evaporate all the water inside the water bath. After evaporation of water, the residue will remain inside the porcelain dish. You have to weigh it. After reading that has been noted, now subtract the first reading, that is weight of crucible and the residue A minus B. The weight of residue will obtain. It should not be more than 15 milligram. Then the test passes. For test of heavy metals, transfer 20 ml of extract in Nestler cylinder. In 2 Nestler cylinders, you have to add 20 ml of extract and adjust the pH 3 to 4 by using 1 molar acetic acid or ammonia. Dilute water, you have to add acetic acid to adjust the pH up to 3. Then add 35 ml of water. 35 ml of water you have to add in second Nestler cylinder. Adjust the pH 3, dilute with water. Each cylinder freshly prepare hydrogen sulfide. Dilute with 50 ml mix. To each Nestler cylinder, you have to add hydrogen sulfide gas. Dip it. In each cylinder, you have to add hydrogen sulfide gas and keep it for 10 minutes. The cylinder containing extract is not more dense than the cylinder that consisting of lead acetate. Whatsoever extract that is taken, it is transparent one. No coloration that has been shown. The test passes. Now, the test for oxidizable substances. First, you have to transfer 20 ml of extract in glass toppered flask. In that, add 0.02 molar potassium permanganate, 20 ml of 0.02 molar potassium permanganate, 1 ml of sulfuric acid, 1 ml of sulfuric acid, after addition of potassium permanganate, extract and sulfuric acid, you have to boil for 3 minutes. Stopper flask, that is boiled for 3 minutes. After boiling, cool it, then add potassium iodide mixture, shaking it well and keep it in dark for 10 minutes. You have to add 0.1 gram of potassium iodide inside the conical flask stoppered flask, and then the mixture is shaking allow for 10 minutes in the dark. Keep it into the, and then titrate it with sodium 0.01 molar sodium thiosulfate using starch as an indicator. After that, you have to note the reading, and blank you have to perform. Instead of extract, you have to take sterile distilled water. Again, you have to add potassium permanganate, sulfuric acid, and potassium iodide that is added, and starch that has been added, kept into dark, and then titrate with sodium thiosulfate till the end point obtained, and the difference between the two readings that should not be more than 1 ml. The test will passes. So today we have performed 3 tests: test for non-volatile matter, heavy metal test, and oxidizable substances. The question given in your experiment, that is, what is polymer? In first year you have seen what is polymer. It is a high molecular weight substance. Enlist 2 additives that are used in plastic transfusion bottle. Previously I have told you that antioxidant, lubricant, colorants that are added inside the plastic. So zinc chloride, calcium salt, sodium chloride that are added as an adjuvant inside the plastic container. What are the advantages of plastic over the glass material? Plastics, that is, during transportation, the breaking that will not occur as compared to the glass, and whatsoever leaching property that is shown by the glass, it is avoided inside the plastic container. Then name the 2 polymers that are used for manufacturing of plastic transfusion bottle. Which polymers are used? Polyvinyl chloride and polyvinyl propylene. What are antioxidants? The chemical agents that are prevent the oxidation. So antioxidants, stabilizer, lubricant, plasticizers that are added inside the plastic container. This is all about evaluation of plastic material. Thank you.